Memu akwa babiem ne mu achebiem Adom TV Badwam so ni te kotego yada se ne wonkran hyansama bribia nso wode breye de edu so no ye kase ne etodwa mu bi ya wobetini ora alan kojecher matin ne afoforo bi a woni da kwan so wo prema mpani adwa no enra won so de won krata akọ isi ye de honsam no ebeba anti-corruption officer nso de kokobo ena ema manyofo se Ghana yemfoto ahodo no a ebedura bato ano omo de wonse bobo mu ni ade no omo ani na ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wadaroma wo hwame wo afiefie mu ene wo phone so wo Facebook/Adom TV extra na say YouTube Adom TV 2 wo kwa adomonline.com ansem ni nyina nso ye de agu ho medin de afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie presidential aspirants and da toso emienu ni won so de won krata akoma electoral commission nipa emiensa ne won so de won de akwa ho na chese ekoka ne adwada no anabenada no won de ekoye no a na say won anim kra no won ekuri Adom TV kase etwaso.
Ghanaians believe that I'm the man that can get the job done. I have the vision, I have the competence, I also have the integrity and then the capacity for execution. And today I'm putting it to rest. Alan has filed his nomination and I personally appeal for your support in December this year.
By God's grace, if we are voted into power, will be the party that is likely to put our nation on the path of stability, well-being, and assurance for livelihoods.
The levels of degradation traveling the country is heartbreaking. And I think it's upon us for us to do something as a people. The rest of the world, the rest of our people are looking up to us. And that's why we have offered ourselves to lead the country. And I'm hoping that you will all come together and come with us to make this thing happen for Ghana this time.
Programs Officer Dema Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition ye Samuel Harrison Kujo. Ne wode to amanyofo enim se wontwe won hu free say ye koto aba na wom do onsa ebo oman no efoto mu de ye campaign no eno achi nso ye na ye to aba nso ose ye ntwe ye ho enfree say ye jejejeje adamdie binum ni ade ansa na ye to aba no ye ntwe ye ho enfree.
I think someone ka somo ya aware say ye di state resources ye political party campaigns no ye kwan bi a ye bo ato ho a wo free so kwa obi nso ba ono nso beto aso sa at the end of the day no na enka enioma ye betimi de abo oman ne ho bra ye betimi di bia ye roads ye betimi bia ye hospitals ni nyina no akọ into political campaigns and ewo ye ya adwen mu no entwa yi sa se enioma ye se ye de bo oman ne ho bra no ye de be ye party bi ho adwuma
omananso wa wasane futu wi ematememfo
ye be ka kire citizens Ghana for say ehun hia se obe gi bibie free party bi ho ansa wato abama no nukura wo mu ni se nia parties no ede ma no enye omombotom sika ebi mu akogigi loans ebi mu nso egi sika from all other sources even including galamsey ti wo gi nioma na free omo honom no na eche se wo fo aso se omo nso omo ba aben mu na se omo aben mu omo nkoso se omo hwema sa nioma boni we nyina no enkoso.
Sade NDC amanyoko no bo ntrimu po se September busumi de to sudu enso ye na wotwe yesimu wo ye kire ade ahwe EC yendin ewo enkrata mu se bibia be ye fan no worma kohia nkramantami mu bambofo ene wormo adi nkomo akowiedu se bia wom so wo be fa ne ho hwehwe nyina nso panifo agiatum.
Science National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no eboaboa won ho na ebobosome de tosudu nson waye oyekire kese pa etia electoral commission ntino amanyoko ni mpanyinfo bi a na wonom trotrofo fifi kweti wɔnom National Communications Officer Sami Jamfi ɛne wɔnom Director of Elections Dr. Badwam eka ho bie no akwa akohyia Greater Accra Regional Police Command sɛbɛyɛ a wɔbɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ehu akwan pa wɔbɛyɛ saa wɔyɛ kyerɛ no na wɔnom ɛyɛ nhyiamu ni wie ya Sami Jamfi ya wɔyɛ National Communications Officer MNDC amanyɔkuo na ne amaniboni atwetwe nkɔmɔ no ɛne wɔkyerɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a wɔne apolisifoɔ na agye atumu sɛbɛyɛ bɛboa ama saa wɔyɛ kyerɛ a wɔbɛyɛ no bibia bɛkɔ so yie ɛwɔ asomdwie mu
nti ase ayɛ adwuma a ɔmagye pene sɛ ɛbenada ɛbɛ on the 17th of September dole demonstration no ɛbɛba so deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu na ɛyɛ baabi a yɛbɛfa obronizi roots of the demonstration ɛno nso so yɛbobo ho a nti ase ayɛ adwuma sɛ yɛbɛboaboa yɛano anɔpa tututu ɛwɔ Obra Sport Circle na ya nante abefa Farisco traffic light akofa TUC yebekɔ akofa ministries afa stadium yebekɔ parliament na yakɔ present petition to Speaker of Parliament na yefiri hɔ a yafa hey ekiri ya e de aba EC office ha because omo ayeye oyɛ kyerɛ na tia omo no is the Electoral Commission.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh ye vice presidential nominee ma NPP amanyɔkuo no ene wɔde ato na nanu matena nkonwa ne sorry mpanifo wa of one time no mo so one time NPP amanyɔkuo no achi enkunimdie enye wondia
wɔde kasapa ene adidie no mo na no ni global mpanifo a na parties ne nyanya enye no kreda se parties ne nyanya yes she wonye. Say the parties need to say they want. They in a party for the bar, we hear maximum month for. Obian Casa party, we have to be out. Now, men at the bar again. I'll do the year. I don't know, I haven't heard no to that the decline. I ask.
Odina asembe wiye enoman you know one so very much requampem editor Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh enim se wonfa nesu ye hono ewo nwumasua ene anyinama wode aso ye ni mo enti Dr. Mahumi echi sebe ya the news wade hono bebem
kofa ya na wode bae so masha tu wa na oba so abeto aso so ene di sector ho wako ye ni ma bibiri ho so ena afi de ya pega wo se wo be frankatini ene aboa yewura bawumia so the best one say so nyansa so wa dia wo de ko ya wo ye e ma be ni ye so fata papa net so ya on so all ba be ye no ni be ni na wo say wo kan ye wo si ye no wa ye ya so e ma foforo abeka free senior high ene education ene the account in so
Ora John Peter Mewu eden nkrata akọ se afi obesan agina biemu apremrahye bedwa akonwa no na ewie akire no wode atodwa akire mu se wo hwe ni mu se wo hamu nchemu aduosia nson de kọ na aduoson de ebeye nkurimdie de amano wo hoho ya bato empesua ne so.
Election, I had about 56 or 54%. This particular election, my Hobetio, the antenna NDC town, so I am not expecting less than 67%. 67-70%. I am not expecting that. Tamajima economy, Alabama toll of Uma, Alabama toll of Vivide, Photo toll of Uma.
Enwachi okade to aso se ebi de ba anopa ebi nso de ba awia ebi nso de ba na adwene senti enkachi ema hoho ya bato mpesua no so se mpuntuo ebekoso wo ho
abelaka agbamigaje enyome be ma ba fa nyebe nomination the beginning of good things to come the second round mejibe ma da akpagare na mi I know. But apart from all the developments that we have done individually, I'm not going but me ganam apene.
And this amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama say nei de ne make kra kro wo man mu no de the prefer MPP amanyoko na di hwamo etitiro ewo nnwuma famo na mmabunu dodo no anya adwuma wo kyere mu se MPP enni solution bia wo sa kwan no so ntia hu behia so on the tumi na NDC amanyukuru no
Mampenyu John Dramani Mahama ebribia wone mabunu bekwa akodi nhyimu won nto abomo no hwesedia emabunu yikonto sedachi bi NDC aban no eba obetimi asakra nemem ye atwe na adwene sinema bebre so senti odi atudwa se beye a ka amanyofo mfa nhyehyeye emra na emfantete yawodo efa adwuma bi hu emo mai mu se beye amabunu no benya bi aye twemu se sa nhyehyeye betimi aboa ama mabunu no so ho ahen wo mo.
Youth unemployment is the main issue. The youth came out in their numbers, and it is clear that it is a ticking time bomb for us as a country. We need to accelerate the economy. We need to invest in the areas of the economy that will provide decent and sustainable jobs for young people, and we need to do that urgently. Certainly, the current government has no panacea for youth unemployment because they've taken the unemployment rate from 8.4% to 14.7% in just 8 years. And so when they talk about creating 2 million jobs, you ask, where are those 2 million jobs?
Maminya no so na kasea no memfansi ha no pay na yemfa da obonkrata no ne online de ento asoma me ne wase Mrani adaje abribia nso odemaye wo kwade erade mfa nkomra somdwem na hwe yen live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra na so ko YouTube Adom TV Tube ye wo ho ba bia betena bia laptop ana computer si wani mu no kwa adomonline.com na ko he videos ne audios no kotie bi na fekin kan bi nso e wo ho me nkomra sesi ye nche ye ba